I hope you enjoyed today's video, but before we get started, please subscribe and remember to hit the bell for notifications. See you soon.
Good morning, kiddo. What we up to today?
It's another fine day enjoying the sunshine. Today we're cooking lunch for 100 people maybe. So we're doing a thing called Pazole. It's a Mexican dish with hominy and pork. This one is. It's going to have a white sauce. And we're getting ready. So I've already did about 4 pounds of bacon and 4 onions. Getting ready to cut up this pork roast. So it's 8 pounds. So we'll put it all together and cook it for a while, let it simmer. And then we'll add the hominy. The hominy is the big thing in it. Again, we'll see how it tastes when we get it down there. Okay. See, filming. So we're cutting up the pork roast or whatever to little bitty pieces. Not little bitty, but half by half or inch by inch. And then we're going to grill them first. And then put them in and let them start cooking down or whatever. And then we'll add the hominy about the last hour, we think. So we're down to a couple hours, so I think we'll make it. As long as the wind quits blowing.
Bruna's loving it outdoors today. It's about 70 degrees. And she's been having a wonderful time. Bruna. Sorry we got so busy opening cans I forgot to videotape. But this is all that was left when we got done, so everybody must have enjoyed it. Time's getting short and we gotta go, so I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.